Hi, I'm Jillian Gallagher, Literacy Academic Coach with Pittsburgh Public Schools. And today we're going to go through a daily phonics routine and include some first sound identification activities. So we'll go through our alphabet first. And if you're familiar with any of the short vowel cues that we use with our hands, then you're welcome to do them along. I'll leave a space in between each letter for you to repeat it back to me. Let's go. B, bear, B. Q, queen, qu. Here's one of our cues. E, egg, eh. C, cat, k. X, fox, x. G, gate, g. N, nest, n. T, turtle, t. Z, zebra, z. Here's another cue for a short vowel sound. A, apple, ah. O, octopus, ah. M, monkey, mm. L, leaf, l. R, rainbow, r. Last short vowel. U, umbrella, S, sun, s. F, fish, f. V, van, v. P, pig, p. W, wagon, w. Y, yo-yo, y. H, house, h. Another short vowel. I, iguana, I. J, jar, j. K, kite, k. D, duck, d. Should we go through and do a lightning round? So when we do the lightning round, we don't say the name of the letter or the picture. We only say the sound. And this helps us build the automaticity that we want everyone to have when we're reading. So as soon as you see the letter Q, you would just say qu, k, g, t, z, a, ah, w, y, I, k, b, e, x, n, n, l, r, s, v, j, and d. So that was our lightning round. So now we've practiced all of those sounds twice. We're going to practice a little bit of our first sound. So when students are first starting to identify sounds, this can be done without any pictures. It can be done without any letters, and that would just be phonemic awareness. So phonemic awareness doesn't yet connect the sounds that students are hearing or children are hearing to a specific letter. It's just training them to hear different sounds. So rhyming is an example of phonemic awareness, doing word families, rhyming cat, sat, rat, is a great way to practice without any letters. Students don't need to be able to read those words to be able to rhyme, but those will help build skills that later on will be very useful. So we're going to talk about first sound fluency. I do have some picture cards just to help us, but it's not necessary. You can always just use words. So our first picture, this is a van. The first sound at the beginning of the word van is v, van. What's that first sound? Great. You may want to have your child repeat the word for the picture or repeat the word that you tell them first so that they can get a feel for it in their mouth. And if they're struggling with it, you can actually have them watch your mouth to make the sound. Sun. What's the first sound you hear in the word sun? S is the first sound in the word sun. What's that first word in sun? The first sound? Alligator. Alligator. What's the first sound you hear in the word alligator? Ah. If students would call this a crocodile, that's fine too. You can still do the beginning sound of crocodile. The beginning sound of crocodile is k. The picture can be used for the specific letter, and this is A for alligator, but identifying the first sound isn't specific to a picture. You're just getting them to practice hearing those first sounds. We'll do two more. Bag. The first sound in the word bag is b. Bag. What's the first sound in the word bag? Our last one for today, feather. This is a feather. What's the first sound in the word feather? Very good. Thank you for joining me today. Happy reading.